Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of May 24th, 2024. My name is Justin, I'm a photographer and a product adder.
And my name is Mason and I am an inventory specialist.
And this is a series where we go over the Friday newsletter. We go out into the studio, show you guys the fabric in person. So without further ado, let us get started. For this week's Friday bundle, we have the Apple Crisps Fat Quarter Bundle. This has apples, apple slices, gingham, and dots in colors of red, cream, and black. This Fat Quarter Bundle is priced at $22.96. It features Orchard Valley from Timeless Treasures, so be sure to not miss out on this absolutely fabulous Friday bundle. That was an apple pun, can you tell? Yeah.
Next, we have a collection from Riley Blake, which is Pumpkin Patch. So a nice fall collection for y'all. We have the full collection of yardage. We have 24-inch panels, fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers, the Patchy Panel Quilt Kit, and the Patch Jacks Box Quilt Kits. The Patch Jacks Box Kits are due to arrive in May/June, so they may not be here just right now. They come in colors of orange, black, white, and gray. It is inspired by the 1800s, so a little old-fashioned. The patterns are intricate illustrations of rustic characters found on vintage vegetable seed packet. So very, very interesting. Go check out Pumpkin Patch from Riley Blake.
Next for you guys, we have Off the Grid from Hoffman. These are beautifully digitally printed panels, such as we have foxes, polar bears, horses, and bison. And we have this cute little cabin next to a lake, as well as coordinating blenders. These are gorgeous winter colors, so think, white and blue for the water and what have you. And we also have the Going Solo Quilt Kits. So be sure to escape from the wilderness with Off the Grid.
The next collection we have for y'all is from Studio E called A Jolly Good Time. So we have a festive Christmas themed collection for y'all. We have the full collection of yardage along with 24-inch panels. The patterns are Santa Claus, snowmen, reindeer, penguins, owls, cardinals, chickadees, and snowflakes in colors of blue, red, and green. Make sure you check out A Jolly Good Time from Studio E.
All right, next we have a fall themed group for you guys called Tonga Cider Batiks from Timeless Treasures. This features the full collection yardage, 5-inch squares, and Share the Pairs quilt kits. We have florals, leaves, vines, and dots in colors of orange, green, pink, yellow, brown, cream, and black. So don't miss out on Tonga Cider Batiks from Timeless Treasures.
Next for y'all, we have a sale on a kit of ours that we've had for a while called the Kismet Quilt Kit. It is featuring Sunflowers in My Heart from Moda. The original price of it is $205.96, but it is currently on sale for $111.96. So a big old sale on that. So make sure you go check out the Kismet Quilt Kit.
Next, we have classic retro holiday toweling from Moda Fabrics. These are like 16-inch wide hemmed on both sides towels that are a perfect way to add a touch of seasonal retro charm to any occasion. They have like Halloween, autumn, Christmas, and winter themes. And they feature things such as trees, snowmen, jack-o'-lanterns, skeletons, owls, cats, pumpkins, and plaids. So definitely go check this group out. There's a lot going on with it and it would be perfect to add for any occasion.
Next is another new collection from Wilmington called Daisy Days. We have the full collection of yardage, 2.5-inch strips, the Daisy Days quilt kits, and the Morse Code quilt kits. There's patterns of florals, daisies, stripes, and paisley. The colors are pink, green, cream, a color palette reminiscent of a blooming garden.
Ooh.
So it is a very beautiful collection. So make sure you go treat yourself to this elegant collection of Daisy Days from Wilmington.
Next, we have a blender group from Hoffman called Brilliance. This collection features the full collection yardage, fat quarter bundles, and diamond Brilliance quilt kits. With those fat quarter bundles, these are like cute little star fat quarter bundles instead of the normal stack that we do.
They're very pretty.
Very pretty. These blenders have gold and silver metallic accents. They are mesmerizing jewel-inspired designs and a variety of colors for you to pick from. So make sure to let this blender collection elevate the brilliance of your quilt kits.
All right, so next we have just the bargains page to talk about with y'all, which is our May bargains. We have remnants that are in there, kits, notions, and who else knows what could be included in that. There's tons of things. It's updated daily for you to check out that are on sale. So make sure you go check out the May bargains page and see what maybe you can find.
All right, next we have a new segment we're gonna do to keep things fresh. This is called the Comment of the Week. We're gonna pull a comment every week to read on the show. We're gonna pull from sites such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. This week we have a comment from Melissa Feldhouse 4424 on YouTube. She says, "Yes, deck the halls. This is in reference to last week's Friday bundle. And we just want to say, well, Melissa, we have plenty of other Christmas or winter themed groups currently on pre-order that will be due to arrive between, we'll say, June to September. So be sure to keep your eyes peeled because there's a lot of good stuff coming out soon. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Be sure to leave a like, be sure to subscribe, and be sure to ring that bell so you get notifications. Also, be sure to leave a comment. We'll be picking a comment now every week to read on the show. So if you'd like to possibly be included in the show, be sure to leave a comment. With that being said, we'll see you guys next week.
See ya.
Bye.